What's up guys, it's Damon and Nick from Solar Lifestyle, and today we are going to be doing a full repaint on these Jordan Military Blue 4 midsoles.
Yeah, so these are from 2006, and as you guys can see, the midsoles have started to crack. Luckily they've been worn a lot, so they're not going to crumble anytime soon. But, so yeah, we're going to be repainting these, stripping the midsoles, and yeah, that's about all. We're not going to be doing anything else restoring because the uppers are in pretty good condition. So yeah.
Alright guys, so now we're just going to tape off the upper and around the midsole to make sure the acetone does not ruin anything. So the midsoles have been completely taped all around, so we can acetone them down even more.
Start the repaint.
Yeah, and then we'll just take the tape off and retape it and start the repaint. Alright guys, so just pulled this tape off. I'm just going to retape this real quick, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the entire midsole white up here and where the blue, because I'm going to give it like one layer of white paint for where the military blue is going to be, and then I'm going to give it a bunch of layers of blue over top that, just like put the white down to like set a base layer for it, and then I'm just going to keep doing the bottom of the midsole where it's white until that's done, and then I'll wait for it to dry, tape it off, and finish the blue up here. Just finished up taping the midsole again, and then I'm gonna paint it at a later point. While I've been taping this, Nick's been working on taping and acetoning the other shoe, so we'll have that one ready as well. What I'm gonna show you with this shoe, I did not strip this because, as you can see, it's not cracked or messed up at all. I might probably just gonna leave it like that. I might throw one layer on top of it and then some matte finish. I'm not sure yet. But that's why we did not redo this. I'll show you the repaint on this cap on the other shoe, because the other shoe I still had to strip and redo because it was cracking. But yeah, like I said earlier, I'm just going to put a base of white coat on the entire midsole to help with that blue, and then of course to start the white bottoms of the midsole. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now that we're done painting the white on the lower part of the midsole, we're going to tape over that so we can start the blue, but we don't want to get anything on the bottom part of the midsole where the white is. So I'll get back to you guys once we're done taping over this. Okay guys, so now that we're done taping the white off, as you can see, we're going to start repainting the upper part of the midsole with the military blue paint. So let's get right into it. So now you can see that we've completely repainted the midsole. Pretty good, matches up with this we did one coat over that to make sure it matches well. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the tape off of this so that way it doesn't pull any of the paint off, and I gotta make sure I do this right so I don't cut the midsole. That's not bad at all. Pretty easy actually. We're gonna finish doing this off camera, but that's what it's gonna look like once it's all finished.